Today is October 24 and I have classes. After my classes, I'm gonna go to a Halloween party with my friends. And I'm very excited kasi it's my first house Halloween party after a while. My last Halloween party was, I think, 2023? Yeah, 2023 kasi last year I didn't dress up as anyone just because we're too busy. I'm just waiting for my class. After this, I think I'm just gonna kill time sa campus since hihintayin ko rin sila Angge at si Nana. And then we're gonna get ready together. Kasabay na rin kami pupunta sa party. I'm kind of nervous but at the same time excited din kasi hindi talaga ako sanay sa mga parties. I'm an introvert and antisocial most of the time. But I think it's something new and I really want to dress up then. Can't wait to show you who I'm going to be. Come with me to get a snack. Guys, bumili akong fishball. Pero maanghang pala yung sauce na nakuha ko. So, bili tayo ng matamis. Makeup by Lore. Makeup na bulon. Makeup by Spider-Man. Kasi si Spider-Man. Pakita mo yung legs mo. Mag-rehearsal si Spider-Woman. Ganito, guys. Documentary.
Ano nakakayo?
Kaya naman sa ano kayo na. Today, I am meeting my friends. We're gonna have a lunch date. Kala ko wala to. Ano pa?
Mawawala na yung anchovy sauce. Lagyan nyo na? Nalagyan nyo na?
Hindi pa. Ito pa. Ayun. Balik mo yan.
Pwede ba ang balik? Dagdag nyo na lang.
Oo, ubusin yan ah.
Uy, kayo lang guys kakain yan ah.
Wala ba? Ano kayo? Asama ko.
Wala seafood. Kami nyo kasi fish meat dilag.
Update. First plato ko ba? Dalawa. First ko pa lang. Pangalawa. Pangalawa. Pangalawa.
Day 3 of gym daw. Bawal ako.
Ubos na guys.
Sorry, ano to?
Alam mo, last ko dito, yung exhibit pa. Ay, hindi. Nanood pala kami ng scene. Grabe ang tagal nung hindi nakapunta dito sa senior high school days. Ang cute ni Gia. At parang hindi ka masaya kasama ka dito.
Pinagtitripan nyo. Tayo na ba? Next. Skip.
Next. Go boy! Masunog ko yung salamin. Di ba baliktad si Sisi? Iba si... Ala sa mitis eh. Wala pa sa mitis. Ala yung banana. Yung banana please. Nasisigaw.
One minute and 37.
Kanina pa yung ganun.
Oh! Sayo! 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 Sayo!
Yung kumawa
Sayo! Oh my God! Sayo! 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 Sige na tayo! Uy, dadali mo to!
side of life. If life seems jolly wrong, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing.